Well, good morning. It is Sunday morning. We're just leaving Brodick. The weather this morning has been pretty unpleasant. Windy, gusty and raining. So we just loaded the bikes up in the pouring rain. That's the Brodick bar where we had a very nice meal yesterday. Now we're basically going to do a kind of figure of 8 circuit around the island before we then get the ferry at Lochranza to head back onto the mainland. No, please don't pull out on me, thank you. Heading out of Brodick, heading south. Definitely got rain mode engaged on the bike today. But hey, it could be worse. It could be this person here cycling. So fair play, because he will already be wet. But it's a beautiful island from what we've seen from the guest house and walking down into town. Had a very nice breakfast at the Glen Artney. Not a particularly big room, but comfortable enough. 100 quid including breakfast for the two of us, so not cheap, but it's Arran, and yeah, I guess they know what they can charge. So that's what we paid. But yeah, having said that, nice place and nicely appointed and very comfortable. And this is Lamlash, and I'm not quite sure if that is the calf of Arran. I think it might be called, in the distance there. See, I'm a little choppy this morning. Oh, thank you very much, you look really looking way. Some kind of running race, I don't know if that's today. Good luck if it is, because weather forecast, at least for this morning, is not great. They're basically like this. This afternoon looks like it should be a little bit drier, a little bit warmer, but temperature now is 11.5 degrees, so that actually feels fine. Be a nice view, but it might disappear into the cloud at any minute. It's a lovely view of the bay. On a nice day, it would be stunning. Yeah, I'm going to sock on the football pitch. What does that tell you? Has leaked, so one of my clothes bags is now sitting in a puddle up in the clouds. Ross. The road quality is extremely variable, as you just saw there on the clip, going from very ropey, bumpy stuff, when you come on onto some nice smooth new stuff. Just came past a hotel with a couple of bikers loading up all their stuff on their GS. And a nice smile and a cheery wave. It's a good example. Half the road is sort of all over the road. Potholes and all the rest of it. And a bit of general shizzle, and then you can come along to lovely little bridge. And then the other side. Wonderful. Well, it's an experience. It's somewhere we've not been before. At least in terms of road quality, I wouldn't rush back. But I think the scenery on a nice day would be beautiful. Heading north back towards Brodick. So the route we've got is taking us east to west across the String and then up the west coast. It's 10:45. Plenty of time, which is just as well because average speed across some of these roads is pretty slow. I don't think we've done more than an average of 25-30 miles an hour. Are we having fun?
It's a bit grim over the top. We go over the String now, don't we?
Yeah, I thought we were doing that first. Anyway, have you got anything you'd like to say to the viewers, Mr. Ward?
You are a knob.
Sorry, we didn't quite catch that.
You, Mr. Buttplug, are a knob.
What's a very rude gentleman. I think for that we should go to the co-op and you should buy me vast quantities of chocolate.
No dime bars.
But no dime bars. Travesty. Anyway, I'm so glad that I washed my bike before we came on the trip. As you can see, it's a little clarty. Marvellous. Right, battery change. A little stop there to change the battery. Managed to drop the GoPro camera and case down, lens down, which has cracked the front of the screen, so it's probably not waterproof anymore. And also you can see there's a little bit of crackness visible in the camera, and this is the so-called the screen. So, actually that was the String, a very short piece of road, nice, and the scenery would be lovely. What we saw when we looked at the clouds was indeed very nice. So now we're on the road heading north, and we'll soon be heading up the west coast. So here we are on the west coast of Arran, heading north. Such a shame we can't see across to the Kintyre Peninsula. It's a lovely view over here from that side last year. Shame we can't see it the other way this year, but never mind. It is what it is. Road service is terrible. road and scenery. Like here, for example, you quite know as you go around the blind corner what the hell road surface is going to face you on the other side. It's different. Lovely and clear. A little bit of sunshine on the hills. Nice. It's definitely a pretty place. Clouds out there. Yeah. Right, left it in gear.
As well, we should strap it down there, didn't we?
Yeah. It won't go too far. Well, we've come off the ferry back onto the mainland at Llanoeg, heading up towards Tarbert. Let's hope the fog clears and can actually enjoy the roads and the scenery. We'll join the A83 in a minute, going up to Inverary up our usual road, I think the 819, take our left on the A85 and head across west and then down a little bit to here we are on the A83. A little bit of sunshine. Turning off onto a little B road. I thought we were just heading straight on the 83. But we're not. Very nice. Let's see if we can get past these two vehicles. Oh, it's going to put us back on the 83. Okay, it's just taking a tiny little cut off. That's a shame. Thank you. the Salty Dog Cafe. Cup of tea and a brownie. John had a piece of carrot cake, very nice. Topped up with fuel, so we're good to go. Now the plan is to do our route to get back to Oban and then try and hit home base before it closes at 5 o'clock to get some bits and bobs to try and sort out my spare GoPro case. So for now, up to Inverary. Beautiful view. Look at that. Look at that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is why we come to Scotland. Things like that. Nice roads. dodgiest, crappiest single track road I've had the displeasure to ride on. I'm going to see if we can get the drone up just for a little view. Hopefully, you've just seen some drone footage. Just managed to get the drone up because the weather's calmed down quite a lot here. And obviously sunny and not raining, which is nice. So John's just ridden up and down the road to try and get some shots, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully get some nice scenery shots as well. Busy alongside Loch Orr. Nice waterfall in there. Here we are, arriving in Oban, which is our stop for the night and the end of the riding for day 2. No missing that hotel, is there? Quite a few bikes around, parked up for the day. The ferry port, which we will be at tomorrow lunchtime.
Yeah, you do see the crack in the bottom of the case, but at least as far as I can tell, you don't see the rest. I think because it's pushed far enough forwards, most of it is not really impacting.
Yeah.